Nigeria funny, oh. It's a very funny country, Nigeria. People will just stand up and bring one rumor. Nigeria is now a country of liars, ruled by liars, and managed by liars. Somebody just come with a story that Diezani collected $90 billion. Multiply $90 billion with the Yaya toilet roll Nigeria money. How much would that be? What is Nigerian budget? If $90 billion where Diezani whack, where they say she don't bring back, as they say she don't bring back, why did they go borrow money? Buarina, he can lie. This man, he lies like fish in rainy season. All the people around them are lie. Then talk about integrity. Waiting be integrity. How much way in Buhari steal? 2.8 billion. When he be Federal Commissioner for Petroleum Resources. How much he steal for PTF? How much he steal? The Okadibo panel say he steal 25 billion naira. We never talk of the one where Salijo and Afri project people steal. Oh. People will no get character. Not them won't say other people no get character. Diezani stole this, Diezani stole. Where did Diezani steal? She still made them prove her. $90 billion. Say God. Then that useless, dirty Afonjas will call himself Don Jaji. Everybody open mouth. When people open mouth, even women, even small children say they open mouth. They can't talk. You never talk of Adeleke in your uncle. Zeg Adeleke. You never talk of Tinubu. You never talk of Fashola. You never even talk of Awolowo. Where they get their money from? You have the mouth to abuse other people leaders. You make your leaders put them for. Where they? Where will they get the money? May God punish on however. 7 times. Not that money. If Diezani take our oil, not our own. When are they steal? God punish on them. May God punish on them. Fiam na bio some. Every mina pok be fiam. Son of us I come na video some. Fiam fin. Obote kuma kaptuni wolwa. O good luck wolwa. Amna wolwa. Amna ma chobemi. Fiam na bio some. Awolowo fruwa. Tinubu fruwa. Fashion na fruwa. Amna ma go fruwa man. You come to abuse people. God Diezani then leave on. Now will come everybody. Afonjas. Self they talk. God punish you well. Diezani still 90 billion. And then some idiots will say there be Niger Delta. They talk. Then carry their will put forever. It be like saying that the story where they tell us when we small. Say all animals say make them bring their mama and their papa kill. Now the stupid animals carry their mama and papa come kill. Now I thought is go carry mama go ride for sky. Anytime we want chop, the mama go drop rope, he go up, go shop. Other people their body they machete, they come they small, come they look as if Poshoko catch them, thought is a fat, they shine. And the animal come keep come hide, come wait for one corner, come see thought it. I seen the climb go to go take the thing for a mama hand. I seen the come and hide and grab her. That's so. That be the foolishness of the Niger Delta people.